Greetings to one and all. We hope you all are fine in this current pandemic situation. As said by Mother Teresa, let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love, and I personally believe smile can fight all illness. I am Brijin Binu Thomas, an MBA aspirant of Jamia Hamdard, with my professor Dr. MD Shanawaz Sabdin, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, School of Management and Business Studies, Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi, have done a research on the topic creating and maintaining management information system for international healthcare professionals, which we would like to discuss and share with you all. Management Information System. It is a system which provides information to the management. So it works with people, technology and organization and maintains relationship between people and organizations affecting the company. Examples of management information system are inventory control system, management reporting system, personal systems. Role of MIS include it is used by lower and middle managerial levels. It deals with past and present data rather than future. It is efficiency oriented and helps in implementing certain decisions in the company. Certain advantages of MIS are it is a single database used by all the stakeholders. So high level of transparency and thus trust is built within the organization. It saves a lot of time and this time can be used to do productive tasks. It also helps in bringing power of data processing tools and it helps in reducing paperwork and thus carbon emissions can also be reduced. Challenges in implementing MIS are cost of equipment. Equipment includes tablets, laptops, desktop computers for implementing MIS. These are all costly. Then, in order to properly understand the system, managers should have the knowledge of management information system. So this requires workforce training. And MIS is customized to the needs of the company. So this is an expensive process too. People like registry clerks and office messengers will need to be eliminated or reduced in number. So there are chances of loss of employment as well. Literature review. Management information system is a well-organized automated information system perturbed with the process of assembling, storing and transferring information to support the management operations in an organization as stated by Lahar Ratna Janhavi in 2015. Data mining has often been defined as a process of extracting previously unknown, valid and actionable information from large databases and then using the information to make critical business decisions as stated by Kabina Hadjinian Stadler in 1998. Karthika in 2015 discussed that the selection is the mode of getting better applications for the purpose of employment. Their study also recommended that the practice of recruitment is not an easy process. Top authorities decide and plan to employ a good manager or a member of staff. This process helps top management to select the right candidate for the desired position that they are looking for. Research methodology. Objective of the study. Primary objective include to describe the uses of management information system in a company, to prepare a database of 500 doctors and nurses of the following countries: India, UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman and Saudi Arabia, which include their names, gender, age, contact number, email ID, highest qualification, their nationalities, their specialization and the current employer they are working for. Secondary objectives are to study the need and importance of management information system, to understand effectiveness of data managing and to observe and give recommendations on the collected data. Research design. The type of research design used is descriptive research and the methodology used is qualitative in nature. Primary data was collected from telephonic interviews with medical representatives and people working in healthcare industry. Secondary data was collected from government publications, public record, business documents, contact cards, company websites, etc. Then future scope of the research. For a manpower recruitment firm, our research would be of great use for the company in future in recruiting new personnel according to the company's needs and clients' preferences. Further, the HR team can do research on willingness to work abroad as well. Then data interpretation. In order to arrive at an informed conclusion, certain processes are implemented through which data is reviewed. This is referred as data interpretation. We were able to gather information on 400 doctors and 102 nurses. Interpretation of the data collected are as follows. According to gender, the data collected for creating management information system has 275 male doctors and 125 female doctors, 24 male nurses and 78 female nurses. Age distribution, doctors' age distribution. The data collected has 78 doctors under the age 39 years, 130 doctors in the age 40 to 49 years, 127 doctors in the age group 50 to 59 years, 64 doctors in the age group 60 to 69 years. Nurses' age distribution. There were 70 nurses under the age group 39 years, 29 nurses under the age 40 to 49 years, and 3 nurses under the age 50 to 59 years. Highest qualification. Nurses' highest qualification. In the information gathered, there are 63 nurses with BSc in nursing, 25 nurses with MSc in nursing, 7 nurses with post-basic BSc in nursing as their highest qualification, and 7 nurses with diploma in nursing. By the basis of their nationality. We combined the information collected on the basis of nationality of doctors and nurses in the doctors list and the nurses list, which gave us the following information. 26 doctors and 11 nurses from Bahrain, 1 doctor from Bosnia, 1 doctor from UK, 4 doctors and 1 nurse from Egypt, 22 doctors and 33 nurses from India, 80 doctors and 3 nurses from Kuwait, and the list goes like so on. Then, according to the country working in, after combining the list of doctors and nurses, we were able to find that 60 doctors and 50 nurses working in the country Bahrain, 191 doctors and 90 nurses are working in India, 80 doctors and 5 nurses are working in Kuwait, 21 doctors and 15 nurses working in Oman, 35 doctors and 15 nurses working in Qatar, 13 doctors and 15 nurses working in UAE. Observations. Male doctors and female nurses are more in the collected data. The data contains information on doctors and nurses mostly between the age group 40 to 60 years. Most of the nurses were having Bachelor of Science in Nursing as their highest qualification. The data collected has information on doctors and nurses from various nations like Bahrain, Bosnia, France, Germany, India, Qatar, Syria, UAE, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, etc. According to the data collected, doctors and nurses are working in Bahrain, India, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. Recommendations. Interpreting the data on the basis of nationality and country working in. We observed that 222 doctors and 33 nurses are from India, but only out of this, 191 doctors and 90 nurses are working in India. Remaining 33 doctors and 14 nurses are working in other nations, stating that doctors and nurses are willing to work abroad. Similar is the case of other nations too. It is therefore imperative for employees to look at the global pool of talent in order to attract the best available human resource. Conclusion. Healthcare professionals are always an asset to the country. In the current pandemic situation, while we are battling against COVID, on the farther end, they are out there battling them face to face in the front row. Creating a management information system for healthcare professionals was the research topic undertaken with an aim to provide an efficient and punctual mechanism in supplying the best qualified professionals for the apt job. This will ultimately lead to selecting and appointing individuals who are fit and best for the job. Thank you all.